a bowl, cupcake molds. I decided to make 2 different sizes. The cupcake paper holder thingies, I decided to make 2 sizes, so I have 2 different size paper thingies. A cup of H2O. Melt your butter in the microwave for 10 seconds. It's easier to batter that way. A stick of butter, I recommend this brand. It's recommended by bakers. A spoon to whisk. 3 roly-poly eggs. I'm doing the funfetti cake mix. This is the recipe I'm following to make the funfetti mix. Pour in the cake mix. Pour in the melted butter. Crack your eggs. Pour that H2O. Mix, mix, mix it, mix it, mix it. Put your cupcake paper thingies in the cupcake mold holder. LOL, my dad put the batter in the mold. You're going to need a piping bag to decorate. Ew, it's so ugly. Just have fun. Freestyle it. I really didn't have any clue to what I was doing. My mom's a baker, so I decided to be a baker. I thought that was like a special gift, you know? I've never used a piping bag. I've never decorated before. This was the first time I ever decorated. So you see how basic I legit decorated that, but it ended up looking good. So just freestyle it however you want. Like, I think I did a good job for being the first time for me decorating. So just freestyle it. Just grab a tip and do whatever you want. No one's judging. BTW, I use the store-bought cream frosting, I believe it is, the little Pillsbury. I got the pink table covering at the Dollar Tree. Look at the first cupcakes I made, the little freestyled ones. That's a card my dad got my mom, and that's a card I got my mom. More of my first cupcakes ever decorated. Look at these cute water flowers. Did I say water? I meant Walmart flowers. I put cute baker stickers because my mom's a baker, and it adds a little touch. I got my mom a Pandora charm. That's my mom seeing the letters we got her. That's a charm I got at Polka Dots, an independent Pandora seller store. It says, "First my mom, forever my friend." My mom enjoying the cupcakes I made her. Look at this aesthetically pleasing SoCali coffee. We went to this Peruvian Venezuelan restaurant. Yes, we injected the condensed milk in the tres leche. Churro ice cream sandwich chocolate milkshake. Best dessert ever. Here's a little close-up of the first cupcakes I've ever decorated.